Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome to EduGuide Pakistan and one of the fantastic tool presented by EduGuide Pakistan for the principal and leaders of Pakistan across the country. The QLEAD software is actually a principal command center, and our main target is to achieve the ISO 21001 standards and to automate it and to look up to all the school performances. So for that, I would like to go through all the system process, that how the system works. So let's start from here, the principal dashboard, which is actually giving you the last 33% compliance of the 90 days and the active projects you have and today completed, and this is just a little bit statistics you have here. Then the dashboard is actually totally planned, and the best plan to check a PDCA cycle. So the planning is actually strategic planning. So you have to import all the SOPs and just to have a click here. If there is anything we can have. Here we have a complete statistic of how the SOAP manager center. So you can import any SOP to your school from, and then you can customize it just by clicking it here. Let's see how does it goes. Yes, it is imported now. So this is how you go with the planning stage for the PDCA cycle. Then we move to the do cycle. So in the planning cycle, we have so many more things to do, like SOAP library, team management, the training, which is upcoming module of the program, and the ISO class guide. And you have a shortcuts here, a quick menu logins like SOAP library, projects, trainings, and ISO class is the same for all. Then we have a do class, and the do class is actually telling you everything to do. So there is a training center. You have to manage your trainings, your daily execution plan. You have to check something daily. So the 90-day compliance trend is going to be developed here. In the current status of your institution. Then we have an ACT program, and this is actually the recommendation that how you can launch recommendation projects and you can improve your business processes or school processes. In order to move forward, we have to go through some links here. So this is your daily command center. This is a compliance center where you can manage your projects and your daily steps here. So you can assign a team to your projects, like managing your attendance register, canteen, food quality, classroom sanitation, and everything is going here. So it covers everything, all aspects mostly, and you can add your own personal project to it. And how does this works? Inshallah, in the next video we will explain it in a great detail, that how these things goes on. Now looking at here, we have a clauses and we have a sub clauses in of the ISO. So the leadership class, the planning, the support, and everything is just having its own page, and you can have a look here that it have how many SOPs are actually connected to this clause, and the QLEAD integration, how the QLEAD is helping you to achieve that clause, and the checklist and the tips for you, so you can have all those things here. It's the same for all the classes. Then we go to the operation stage, and here we can have a daily operation center where you manage your active projects and active work. Then you just start SOAP mapping. SOAP mapping is actually your standing operation procedure that is going to be matched with every project or every activity in the school, like attendance register. So it should have its own SOP. You can add it and you can remove anything. It's completely open, and you just can enjoy your life here by mapping the SOPs with the projects. A complete video will be here about the project management and about how we can trace the project process here. This is just an overview. And after we have the department compliance and the full ISO report, the FMS and the RPN here. You don't have any active project here, so you cannot, the failure mode and effect analysis is a complete system, which we are going to have a separate video for that. Then we move to the improvement actions. So you have an improvement action if you want to take some improvement actions. Separate videos, inshallah, on the way to this. One most important thing, which is really we need to the certificate readiness. So let's see this is really early stage of your institution, because you have to import a lot of SOPs, and then you have to complete a lot of work, and then sustain performance. So all these things takes a lot of time. Once you do those things, so your school automatically moves to the next stage, and your journey goes off, and it gives you some basic statistics here. Then we go to some tools and mapping system here, school setting, import standards, and map daily procedure. And we have a very fantastic tools for you of like SWOT analysis tool. So you want to conduct a SWOT analysis for any project, you just select your project and you start putting here your data. And let's suppose not routine work. Okay, so just we need to put it here, and it comes here. So everything is just getting here, and once you conduct all those things and you reach here, so you get a complete chart analysis, and whatever analysis you have done here, you will get it in a single glance, that what is the SWOT analysis, what is the Pareto analysis, and similarly the likelihood, the FMEAs, and all the part chart. So you just get a single project by so many directions and dimensions. So you have a training CPD module, data center, fishbone, and fireflies analysis. Like, so very important analysis in our system, like Hidetsu and canteen food quality, and you just define the reason that not uh, of quality, let's suppose, and you just create an analysis that you have to answer these 5 questions, why, and then you have to define the root cause and save update. In this way you get a complete 5 analysis, and you can use it for your decision making processes. On the top of that, it gives you a complete download center, which is very important for the offline record management system. A complete where you will be here that how you can manage your master record books and the record code and responsibility, and everything is here. Then we have in this we have a file cabinet register, that how you will manage your record room. Then we have a complete setup for retention and disposal register. So this is how you do all those things in your schools. Inshallah, see you on next video with a complete overview. One thing which is really very important for your school management is to have a complete process for that. So full ISO report is a very important thing, which is going to give you that how much you have code and how much still you have to go through your school processes here. So it covers everything, waste and segregation and disposal and everything that is the requirement of ISO 12001. The video is getting long. See you inshallah on next video with the next topic. Thank you very much for joining EduGuide Pakistan. Thank you for using QLead and choosing the QLead. Thank you. Let's grow together. Let's take Pakistan education to the global excellence. Thank you very much.